Hello everyone, welcome to the analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty for 15th May. Today we took a good profit on both the sides. Yesterday we discussed that we took a position on Nifty on the short side and we expected a gap down. Exactly the same happened and we took a good profit. And then the price finally moved up and we did some scalping and made a good profit on Nifty. Today we didn't trade on Bank Nifty since Nifty gave us good trades. Either you can focus on Nifty or Bank Nifty, because focusing both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, if you're specifically doing scalping, doesn't make any sense. So either you can select Nifty or Bank Nifty. Any scripts should be fine. So coming to the analysis for 15 May, today we're not going to just do analysis. I'm also going to teach you how to do analysis so that you can do your analysis and then come and check out this video. Now, if you look at the slide over here, analysis for positional traders, higher time frame is weekly, lower time frame is daily, logics, professional price action, entries, trends plus build-ups. Okay, same for swing trading, higher time frame is weekly, higher time frame is daily, and the lower time frame is 1 hour. For intraday, the higher time frame should be 15 minutes and the lower time frame should be 5 minutes. Okay, and the strategies that we're going to discuss for intraday traders are with reference to the courses that we have already published on Udemy and nonagoninvestments.in. So this is the chart that you have. So if I ask you what kind of a structure is this, right? This is uptrend. Why? Because the move that you see, this is an impulsive move, right? A strong move followed by a weak move. A strong move followed by a weak move. So if you see over here, clearly there is a strong move followed by a weak move, 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 a strong move followed by a more stronger move, a strong move, right, followed by a more stronger move, correct, a strong move, and then the same strong moves are slowly coming from the sellers. So what do you understand from this now? If you look at the charts from here, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll write it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive strong moves from the buyer, and after that the 6th, 7th and 8th and 9th, all these moves that you can see over here, both the moves are stronger from the buyers and sellers, which means the market is taking a pause over here, and currently there is no direction in the market. We'll find directions in the market only above 18,531. Anyone who has taken positions over here and here can still stay in the trade only after 18,531 levels gets broken and the price moves further with this kind of price action, right? Again, a strong move by the buyers, weak move from the sellers. This kind of price action, the price would go up and touch higher and can even touch 20,000, 20,500, but it has to cross this particular level and close above 18,531. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, this is how you are going to analyze the charts. Now we have discussed that if the price moves above 18,395 and we see a price action, a strong and a weak move from the buyers and the sellers, the uptrend is going to be continued. But if you ask me, how do you identify the price might come down, right? We're going to apply the same technique over here as well. This is with a price action like this. Again, if you see any price action or any strong down moves followed by a weak buying move, followed by a strong selling move, followed by a weak buying move, we are going to reverse our positions and we're going to go on the short side. So this is how we are going to identify the direction of the market. Clear? Now if I move on to daily time frame, will not take much time analyzing this, but I wanted to teach you how to analyze the charts. That's it. If you look at this, strong move by the buyers, weak move by the sellers. Strong move by the buyers, weak move by the sellers. Strong move by the buyers, weak move by the sellers. And again a strong move by the buyers, even a more stronger move by the sellers. But it couldn't continue. If it would have been in this way, then the market would have come down and we would have taken short positions. But what happened? Again, the strong moves from the buyers continued, right? Now, if you look at this particular part over here, strong move from the sellers, weak moves from the buyers. Strong moves from the buyers, sellers, weak moves from the buyers, right? And again, there was a strong move from the buyers and a strong move from the sellers as well, right? But after successive strong move from the sellers, we could have taken some entries around at this particular point over here. Strong move by the sellers, weak move by the buyers. Strong move by the sellers, weak move from the buyers. Over here, we could have taken a position, right? And now, if you look at this particular branch of the chart, currently what is happening? A strong move by the buyers, a weak move from the sellers. A strong move from the buyers. Maybe after this, there might be a weak move from the sellers, but for the sellers to gain momentum, they have to have a price action like this. So by this, I just wanted to show you, ideally when we talk to our students, whenever they see or they notice any engulfing candle or a strong red candle, and they ask us whether the direction of the market is going to change. But if you analyze this particular concept that I've taught you, there is no way with one or two candles the market is going to change. There has to be proper price action. There has to be strong motive from the buyers or the sellers to move the price down. So currently the market is up, and if the market has to move down, there has to be price action like this. Now if you analyze the 1 hour time frame over here, what it says, right? Same. Strong up moves, right? Strong up moves, strong up moves. Now if you look at the price over here, the market is in a tricky position right now, right? Strong up move, weak down move, strong up move, kind of a same strong down move. But again, the price didn't continue like this, right? So there was no down move for it. The price moved up, a strong up move followed by a weak down move. And then now if you can see, the market is taking a pause in 1 hour time frame. Only if 18,342, 18,350, this particular level breaks, and we see a price action like this, right? The market is going to go further. Otherwise, if you look at, or if we see this kind of price action from Monday, then we could see a further correction in the market for Nifty. So if you want to analyze the market on 15 minutes time frame, today we are not going to discuss Bank Nifty, because I've taken too much time discussing the logics and analysis for Nifty, because I wanted you guys to learn how to analyze rather than depending on the tutors on the analysis part, right? Because someday you have to learn analysis, and you have to have the conviction, because watching a random analysis video each and every day is just waste of time without understanding the logic. So we decided that we'll first teach you how to analyze, and then we'll daily analyze so that you can match your analysis. Okay, so over here you can see on 15 minutes time frame. So for swing traders, for position traders, we in uptrend, but over here you can see a strong up move, a weak down move, a strong up move. a strong down move, a strong up move, a strong down move, which means successive strong down move and strong down up moves and strong down moves from the buyers and sellers. It means we are in a range. So currently on 15 minutes time frame, we are in a perfect range. This is a beautiful concept. You can see we're in a perfect range. Right? Hopefully on Monday we can see a down move and the price touching this level, and that is 18,213. And from this again, if you see any further movement up, we might see again a up move like this, right? So I have taught you how to identify a trend, I have taught you how to identify a range, I've taught you how to look for a strong and the weak moves. So this is how you have to analyze, and keep in mind, do not go for any analysis video that do not teach you the logics. It is your right to know the logics that are being taught or the analysis that are being taught. So on Monday, I want you to practice the analysis on 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and weekly time frames, and then come and watch my videos. If you learn the analysis, if you know the direction of the market, you can apply any logic to take your trades, right? Thank you so much. Happy weekend, and see you on Monday.